From the North Shore of Oahu, we head out to the open Pacific Ocean and let the adventure begin. Out here, the sea is alive. Beneath the surface, Galápagos sharks patrol the waters. You can see their dark, powerful shapes moving just below. And now, we descend into the shark cage. But take a deep breath and exhale. Even here, surrounded by sharks, you are safe. The sharks are graceful and powerful, moving with purpose. Fear heightens your senses, pulling you into the present moment. Inhale. Exhale. Moments like this remind us to stay present, even in life's most stressful situations. This virtual reality shark dive in Hawaii is a lesson in calm and focus. When fear rises, let it guide you into the now. Breathe, notice, and be fully here in this moment. Please like and subscribe